Most people are stuck in a loop. Wake up, work, pay bills, repeat. They dream of financial freedom, but never take action. AI is changing everything, but only for those who are paying attention. Traditional side hustles take too much time. Investing requires too much money. And starting a business? Expensive and risky. But AI? It works 24/7, doesn't get tired, and automates your income. Meet DeepSeek AI, a tool that can create high-demand digital products in minutes. Just type in a few words, and boom, you have something people are willing to pay for. Now, where do you sell these products? AI-powered marketplaces like Etsy and Gumroad handle everything for you, so you can focus on making money on autopilot. Nobody likes dealing with customer complaints, but guess what? AI chatbots handle it all. While others waste time answering emails, you're making money hands-free. Once you're at $50 a day, scaling becomes easy. Repurpose your content. Turn an ebook into a video course, an AI template into a premium package. More products equals more passive income. AI is moving fast. Those who start now will lead the future. Those who don't, they'll be left paying for AI instead of profiting from it. Making $50 a day is just the beginning. To truly multiply your wealth, you need to understand the power of compounding. Click the next video to learn how small investments can turn into massive fortunes over time.